Hi, this is Jay from paulpolito.com, and welcome to the next installment in our screencast series about Linux system architecture. 101.3, Change Run Levels and Shut Down or Reboot the System, Part 1. In this screencast, you will learn how to set and switch between different system run levels. We will also look at the following terms: run level, /etc init tab, default run level, init, and tell init. Run levels and run level switches. Linux offers a variety of operating conditions, or so-called run levels. In essence, the difference between the various run levels is which system services are made available and which are not. The file in which the current system run level is established is /etc init tab. The exact syntax of how settings in the /etc init tab file must be made can be found on the man page of init tab. Basically, the run levels 0 through 6 and S are available. Only the run levels 0, 6, and S are reserved in all Linux distributions. All other run levels are freely available, and each Linux distribution allocates them differently. The fixed run levels and their specifications are run level 0, system shutdown without restart. This also corresponds to the command halt. Run level 6, shut down and restart. This corresponds to the command reboot. Run level S, operate the system in single user mode. The single user mode is a mode that is reserved for the system administrator only. In most Linux systems, 3 other run levels are defined. Run level 2, multi-user without network. Run level 3, multi-user with network. And run level 5, multi-user with network and graphical login. Multi-user means that the system is able to serve multiple users simultaneously. A special case is run level 4. Run level 4 is not used by any Linux systems. Run level 1 is also, just like run level S, a single user mode. The difference between run level 1 and run level S is that run level 1 needs the file /etc init tab in order to switch to a different run level. Run level S does not need this file. If /etc init tab is corrupted or missing, you can still use the command init-s to get into single user mode. Run level 1 is also seen as an administrative mode, and run level S as the repair mode, since run level S does not mount any file systems. The file /etc init tab contains an entry that tells the init process which run level is the default run level. To make this recognizable in /etc init tab, the parameter init default is used. In general, init default is a custom run level between 1 and 5. Init and tell init. To switch to a run level manually, the system administrator uses the program init followed by the desired run level. The command init1 would bring the system into single user mode. The command init3 would bring the system to run level 3. Instead of init, the program tell init can also be used. Tell init works exactly the same way as init. In general, tell init is only a symbolic link to init. Summary. Linux offers a variety of operating conditions, so-called run levels. The file in which the current system run level is established is /etc init tab. Basically, the run levels 0 through 6 and S are available. The run levels 0, 6, and S are reserved in all Linux distributions. Run level 0, system shutdown without restart. Run level 6, shutdown and restart. Run level S, single user mode. The file /etc init tab contains an entry that tells the init process which run level is default. To switch manually to a run level, the system administrator uses the programs init and tell init, followed by the desired run level. Study points. Study the file /etc init tab and try to understand its syntax. Remember that the topic discussed here has an LPI exam weight of 3. Therefore, you should expect some questions about this topic during your LPI exam. Memorize the 8 different run levels and their meaning. Try setting a different default run level for your system. Do not use the run levels 0 or 6 as default run level. Run level 0 will turn off your system immediately after the start, and run level 6 will reboot the system all the time. Read the init manual page. Switch manually to the various run levels by using the init and tellinit commands. This is Jay from paulpolito.com, and thanks for watching this screencast about Linux system architecture. Until next time,